Hey guys, it's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. I'll be showing you all how to get the bomb perfect natural brows in this eyebrow routine video. So if you want to perfect them brows, just keep watching this video. So I use the LA Girl Brow Pomade in dark brown. It is old, so that's why the writing is gone. Don't judge me. And I also use the Morphe Angle Brow and Spoolie brush. And I will also be linking all of the products and tools that I use in this video down in the description box below, so definitely check that out. I start off by lining the bottom of my eyebrow and then filling in the tail of my brow with the pomade. So I didn't realize I was using the brush the wrong way, but it still got the job done and it filled in my eyebrows perfectly. So I'm just taking a little bit of pomade and filling in the sparse parts of my eyebrow and just blending out any other harsh lines and lightly lining the top of my brow as well. So we're going to do the same exact thing to my other eyebrow, just outlining the bottom of my eyebrow and filling in the tail. So now I'm just filling in the sparse areas of my eyebrow and blending out that line at the bottom to give it a more natural look. So I'm just using any residue that's on the brush and what's already on my eyebrows to fill it in. And now I'm going at the top to kind of lightly line the top of my eyebrow as well, just to make it look a little more full. So I'm blending out the front of my eyebrow so it's not as thick, and I'm also going in to give it a little bit of shape by lightly lining the bottom again, just so it can be more defined. But once you use the concealer, it'll definitely sharpen up your brow. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and an e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush to clean up my brows. I'm going to use the concealer to clean up my eyebrows and outline them, just to sharpen them up and give it some shape. You want to be real precise and make sure the line is pretty straight. For the most part, my line is kind of straight, but it is a little, a little wave in the front, but it's okay. We're going to blend that out. So now I'm going to outline the top of my brow with the concealer, making sure that I don't erase any thickness of the brow that's already there. It just causes more work for me in the end to just go back to fill that in. So I'm going to go in with my Costal Classic Shadow Brush to blend out my concealer that's under and above my eyebrow. I like to blend down the concealer under my eyebrow onto my lid, so it's kind of like a primer for my eyeshadow. Yes, can we get into this brow one time? Like, come through natural brow. It's so bomb. So now I'm going to take the spoolie and blend out the front of my brow just to make it look more natural. We're going to repeat the same exact steps on this eyebrow and outline the bottom of the brow with the concealer, being very sharp and precise with the line, and make sure you don't again cut off the thickness of the brow. And you want to go back in at the top and outline the top of the brow with the concealer again, being very precise with the line. I did kind of cut off the arch of the brow, but that's okay. I'm just going to have to go back in and fill it in at the end. I'm just going to use that classic shadow brush and just blend out the concealer above and below my eyebrow. I know what you all are thinking, oh my goodness, her eyebrows look like bird wings, but trust and believe it is not going to stay like that. I will be using a dense blending brush to blend out the concealer above and below my eyebrows, as well as between my eyebrows, so that you won't have that fade going on. As you can see, I am going back in with the pomade just to add some more thickness to that brow from when I cut it off with the concealer. This is what I mean by creating more work for you. So if you be more precise with the concealer at the top of your brows to make sure you don't cut off the arch or like erase the work you've already done, that just makes it easier for you. And finally, I'm just going to go in with the spoolie and just blend out those brows and blend out the front part of the brows just to give it a more natural look. And this is the end result. This is how you get bomb natural brows. And you know what the saying is, eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. So, guys, get into these natural brows. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.
I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. It's a rolling, not a stop.